Dames en here, die akademiese prosesie sal binnekort inbeweeg. U word versoek om asseblief op te staan.
Bomma le bontate, molokoloko wa diruteri o tla tsena mo nakong e kopana. Le kgopelwa ho ema. Ladies and gentlemen, the academic procession will enter shortly. You're kindly requested to stand.
By virtue of the authority entrusted to me, I hereby constitute this legal congregation of the University of Pretoria. And during this assembly, degrees with all associated rights and privileges will be conferred, and that will be to all of you, our graduates. You may take your seats. Thank you. Please join us in a silent prayer or meditation to give thanks to the achievements of our students. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to extend a warm word of welcome to the Dean of our Engineering, Built Environment and IT faculty, Professor Wynand-Steyn. I would also like to extend a word of welcome to our Deputy Dean, Professor James Maina, and also our Deputy Dean, Professor Alta van der Merwe. And thank you very much for your leadership of the faculty. It is through your leadership that we are celebrating the achievements of our students today. I'd also like to welcome our Deputy Director, representing the Registrar, Mr. Wallace Isaacs, and all our chairpersons of schools, all our heads of departments, emeriti and honorary professors of the faculty, and all other teaching staff, and all the spouses that are here. We welcome you here for supporting our staff to do a sterling job. I would also like to welcome our Student Representative Council, represented by Andy Lemate, who will present the SRC academic honors to our and colors. And everyone else here, our special guests, our graduates, including your spouses, those of you who have spouses, and your parents, your grandparents, your friends, and all other family members. Welcome to this ceremony. It is indeed an honor for me to officiate this graduation ceremony of the ABIT faculty. It is one of those occasions that we value very highly, for us to witness the achievements of our students and give recognition to the hard work that you have put throughout the years. And I congratulate each and every one of you, including your family support structures. It is really remarkable that you have achieved this milestone. I know you remember those grueling days of the engineering week, when you couldn't sleep, when you were crying, when you were anxious, you were complaining. Some would just write letters to me. I'm like, I don't teach there. Just do your work. But you have persevered. We truly appreciate you for going through that pain. It's pain first and happiness after. We have a total of 340 graduates, if my numbers are correct. And we are focusing today on the qualifications in mechanical, aeronautical engineering, and engineering and technology, and of course, technology management. We have 6 doctorates, and it is indeed one of those special moments for us to see our doctorates pass through the stage and acknowledge them for the hard work. We have 87 master's degrees and 81 honors degrees and 166 bachelor's degrees. And I'm sure one day we will see you in your honors programs. I'm sure some of you are already in your honors programs and your master's and doctoral studies. This is an inspiration to yourselves and your families. This is about your day, so that you observe all these accolades and of course pass it through your family, your friends, and your peers. Let me share some valuable information about the faculty, because I'm required to do that. As you can see, we have very wonderful people behind me here who are leading all these teaching and innovation programs that we have. And I must say that this faculty is among the best that we have in the country and the continent. And we are the first in South Africa, really, and in the top 401, 450 range of our QS world rankings in this faculty. And we are the foremost providers of high-level intellectual capital and research. We are leaders in many of the areas that we specialize in. We have international recognition across the disciplines. We have very robust industry collaborations, and of course also acknowledge industry for the resources that they inject in the faculty for us to be able to achieve what we achieve. Thank you very much, and keep on assisting us to provide quality education. As I say, we offer world-class programs. We have an extensive range of dedicated professional and support staff. We have very sophisticated laboratories. For those of you who have not been there, you would be just completely gobsmacked to see what we offer there. And if you are nice to the dean, you can ask very nicely to be allowed to have a look at what your children have gone through. Ladies and gentlemen, we have all the key ingredients that speak to the success of our top achievers in this faculty. We have the Graduate School of Technology Management. It started many, many years ago in the 80s, and today it is one of the flagship programs that we have, a very fully fledged graduate school, very competitive, and of course with, again, extensive international collaborations, and also at the forefront of the development of our students. So I'm concluding by saying, the qualifications that we offer here, the ones that you have earned, because you cannot be here if you have not earned the qualification. There are no shortcuts at this university. You just have to earn it, and we congratulate you for that. That was through dedication, it was through hard work, it was perseverance, it was, just sacrifice all the time so that you can embark on this long journey. It's a long lifelong learning, I must say, and make use of it. Help those that are looking for help, and don't be selfish in what you do. Be generous. Just make sure that you lift others up. Don't push other people down, because you have been lifted up yourself. But I know those are the values that we teach you at this university. You will continue to make us proud and keep on shining as you embark on your different professions in different industries. And those of you who will also be joining us as academics, as you grow into the profession, you have seen what we offer. Please come and make a contribution that makes it look better for those that will be coming. Go and contribute to the economy. Our economy is, I must be very careful when I choose my words. It needs help. It's in ICU. So just go out there and make a contribution. You're engineers now. You will be able to do that. Join our alumni club. It's very exclusive for people like you. And attend those meetings, sessions when you're invited, so that you know what is happening to the university. And I hope that your contributions will assist us to make us better and better as the university grows. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm now going to stop here and congratulate you once again, and congratulate our academic staff for all the work that they put. We know that you will continue to make us proud. And I will now request the Dean to present to me the names of the candidates that are in the program, so that we can start with what you are here for. You're here to graduate, not to listen to me tell you things that you know. Thank you.
Mr. Vice Principal, the supervisors will now introduce the doctoral candidates.
Mr. Vice Principal, I introduce to you Caitlin Claudia Cockcroft, who has complied with the requirements for the degree Doctor of Philosophy, specializing in mechanical engineering, with a thesis titled Alternative Layouts for Coupling a Parallel Expander to a Brayton Cycle Configuration Developed from Commercial Turbochargers, prepared under my supervision. In this thesis, the candidate investigated the feasibility of using automotive turbochargers in novel parallel flow Brayton cycle configurations for small-scale power generation applications. Turbochargers inherently operate at low pressure ratios. Therefore, the research examined the sensitivity of turbocharger-based cycles to pressure losses by analyzing various power turbine split-off points, recuperation, turbine inlet air cooling for cogeneration, and solar thermal hybridization using solar dish collectors. Steady-state cycle models were developed and optimized for a range of solar-assisted and non-solar configurations, incorporating realistic component constraints and pressure losses. The study demonstrates that parallel flow layouts, particularly recuperated cycles with a low-temperature power turbine in parallel with the gasified turbine, can outperform conventional single-shaft cycles when component pressure losses are high. The research provides a systematic framework for designing efficient small-scale solar hybridized power systems using commercially available turbocharger technology. Mr. Vice Principal, I request you to confer the degree on the candidate.
I hereby confer the degree Doctor of Philosophy with all its associated rights and privileges on the candidate. Congratulations.
Mr. Vice Principal, I introduce to you Luke Daniel van Eyck, who has complied with the requirements for the degree Doctor of Philosophy, specializing in mechanical engineering, with a thesis titled Hybrid Modeling in a Digital Twin Context for Driveline Damage Detection and Prevention within a Mechanized Digitalizing Mining Industry, prepared under my supervision. In this thesis, the candidate addressed the critical challenge of driveline failure in mining equipment. The candidate developed a digital twin framework tailored for the mining industry to structure and integrate diverse modeling approaches. This framework was used to establish two hybrid modeling methodologies that combine data-driven and physics-driven approaches. First, a simulation-driven domain adaptation method was created to detect gearbox faults under data-scarce conditions. Secondly, a novel anisotropic traction model was developed to predict wheel slip in skid-steered vehicles, preventing mechanical damage. This research demonstrates that combining physics-based and data-driven strategies yields actionable insights to enhance the reliability and safety of mechanized mining fleets. Mr. Vice Principal, I request you to confer the degree on the candidate.
I hereby confer the degree Doctor of Philosophy with all its associated rights and privileges on the candidate.
Mr. Vice Principal, the following candidates have complied with all the requirements for the degree Master of Engineering specializing in Mechanical Engineering. Alex Brocco with distinction. Kefetlile Gitinji. Evan Humphreys with distinction. Vincent Kikanga. Stefanus Kruger. Francois Leroux. Jay Rout. Mr. Vice Principal, the following candidates have complied with all the requirements for the degree Bachelor of Engineering Honours, specializing in Mechanical Engineering. Shahufa Abdul. Altus Badenhorst. Simran Balu with distinction. Rerandu Baloy. Annabelle Bester with distinction. Ryan Cox with distinction. Luke Deprier with distinction. Navashin Govender. Jaden Ham. Kyle Holloway with distinction. Andrei Jordan. Shukru Kachar. Melissa Kruger. Kabelo Lechelele. Kevin Meyer. Devon Nell. Alexandra Pashkin. Hein van der Walt with distinction. Terblanche van Lille. Come back. Yeah. You need to come back first. Jacobus van Wyk. Mr. Vice Principal, the following candidates have complied with all requirements for the degree Bachelor of Science Honours in Applied Science, specializing in mechanics. Katlego Ntloro. Christu Smit. Mr. Vice Principal, the following candidates have complied with all the requirements for the degree Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering. Desta Amare. Keegan Anderson. Barend Badenhorst. Merrick Berning with distinction. Aaron Bueta. Joshua Brady. Ruan Breed. François Breed. Banele Butelezi. Mark Cameron with distinction. Michael Carter. Sean Casserly. Joshua Slemons. Philip Klute. Petrus Kutsie. Tristan Jekmani with distinction. Sunay De Bruin. Erik De Jong with distinction. Jacobus de Jonge. Stefanus de Villiers. Gabriel de Wet with distinction. Damon Dempers. Liam Drew with distinction. Edouard Duplessis with distinction. Louvian Duplessis. Joshua Dunn. Duncan Ellis. Henri Engelbrecht. Casper Engelbrecht. Martin Enslen. Jacobus Erasmus. Justin Fordham. Sandy Funnel. Lloyd Geddy. Clive Gibbs. Thomas Gibson. Georgina Goebel. Tristan Gore. Leslie Gonde. Kelden Gonden. Matthew Govender. Tyler Gray. Olwetu Gadebe. Ricky Harrison with distinction. Charles Helberg. Darren Hill with distinction. Michael Ho. Cameron Hodgson. John Hannibal. James Hooper. Nicholas Joseph with distinction. Zezetu Kave. Carl Henry Keiter. Motlabi Genguenyani. Karabu Gosimotswedi. Lebogang Kwani. François Kirsten. Ethan Klebe. Hilary Kone with distinction. George Koumoutsakis. Jacobus Kruger. Waldo Landsberg Christen. Elnay Lategan. Tetelo Lebepe. Leclogonolo Lequadu. Declan Lowe with distinction. Bongomenzi Magagula. Nomtandazu Mashlangu. Riofilwe Mashlatsi. Tulani Makandla. Leclogonolo Maleopo. Kutluanu Maseku. Niu Mashaba. Tumelu Mashaba. Masilu Mashale. Khosi Matabe. Mark Meter. Sibongile Mlangeni. Innocent Mokhale. New Mukasi. Philip Morkel. Riabechwe Mutau. Sibusisu Mponchani. Letabu Mpai with distinction. Kulisu Mwambatsi. Christopher Muller. Aiden Meiburg. Ben-Dion Meiburg. Kavesan Naidu. Kavishan Naidu. Raylan Naidu with distinction. Sachin Naidu. Jessica Nason. Jan Daniel Naudia. Ryan Nell. Bontli Nkwatwana. Spukazi Nikelo. Siabonga Nkambule. Come back. You have to come back. Israel Nkashama. Lucian Noon. Neo Pasha. Berta Pinar. Matthew Pieterse. Keira Pillay. Zander Potgieter. Talia Powell. Johannes Pretorius with distinction. He also receives the Ex Mente Technologies Prize for the final year student in mechanical engineering with the highest final year average. Well done. Francois Prins with distinction. Janku Rademeyer. Tejal Raju. Kamva Ralarala. Maimu Ralipada. Ruan Reineke. Come back. You have to come back. David Rossman with distinction. Gareth Ryan. Reinier Sherman. Erich Schultz. Neo Sekuto. Stefan Sell with distinction. Dirk Senekal. Saba Shahabuddin. Georgia Shear. Mukateku Shilakwe. Lendokushle Shongwe. Tombizodwa Sibanda. Marco Siebert. Aboku Siyie. Mercedes Singh. Pindulo Singo. Zander Smit. Johannes Smith. Emma Sneyman. Brett Spicer. Baron Stoves. Mia Terblanche. David Thompson. Tatoyaona Tati. Katlego Terema. John Tyson. Veer Valla. Henry van Aswegen. Georgia van den Berg. Christu van der Walt. Bernard van Niekerk. Charles van Niekerk with distinction. Stefan van Niekerk. Jelisma van Staden. Bernard van Tonder. Elkan van Wyk. Evan Visser. Marco Visser. Armand Wagenaar. Jason Walker. William Wilkinson. Lee Williamson. Ryan Williscroft with distinction. Tian Wolmerans with distinction. Inge-Marie Eisel. Mr. Vice Principal, the supervisors will now introduce the doctoral candidates for the Graduate School of Technology Management.
Mr. Vice Principal, I introduce to you Martin Njagi Bayer, who has complied with the requirements for the degree Doctor of Philosophy, specializing in technology and innovation management, with a thesis titled An Analysis of Systemic Barriers to Innovation in Digital Learning in African Universities, Case Studies in Kenya and Rwanda, prepared under my supervision. In the thesis, the candidate explored how 2 public and 2 private universities in the national innovation systems of Kenya and Rwanda navigate barriers to innovation in digital learning. There's limited research on systemic barriers to digital learning, innovation, and innovation systems in African contexts, using a mixed methods approach that combine mapping the digital learning landscape, a systematic literature review, and comparative case studies. The study developed a conceptual framework and 2 typologies of digital learning institutions and systemic barriers. The conceptual framework links digital learning as innovation to national systems of innovation and universities as units of analysis. The main contribution of the study is that distributed leadership by the quadruple helix actors, industry, academia, government, and civil society is important in overcoming barriers to innovation in digital learning. Mr. Vice Principal, I request you to confer the degree on the candidate.
I hereby confer the degree Doctor of Philosophy with all its associated rights and privileges on the candidate. Congratulations.
Mr. Vice Principal, I introduce you to Sabelo Velemseni Dlamini, who has complied with the requirements for the degree Doctor of Philosophy, specializing in engineering management, with a thesis titled Digital Transformation in the Public Sector, Realizing Its Potential or Hamstrung by Incumbents, prepared under my supervision. In this thesis, the candidate presented insights that digital transformation efforts are vulnerable to being derailed by entrenched regimes and existing power structures. To prevent this, active state involvement is paramount. The absence of such intervention can lead to a situation where a dominant private sector exerts influence, undue influence, potentially undermining state-driven digital advancement. Overall, this research project provides novel insights into the complexities of socio-technical transitions, emphasizing the role of institutional dynamics, external pressures, and governance strategies in shaping digital transformation. While the research achieved its objectives, it also highlighted areas requiring further exploration, particularly in enhancing policy responsiveness, system sustainability, and cross-sectoral comparisons. Mr. Vice Principal, I request you to confirm the degree on the candidate.
I hereby confer the degree, Doctor of Philosophy, with all its associated rights and privileges on the candidate. Congratulations.
Mr. Vice Principal, I introduce to you Prisha Mandri, who has complied with the requirements for the degree Doctor of Philosophy specializing in engineering management with a thesis titled Identification and Production of Valuable Bio-Based Chemicals for Industrial Implementation in South Africa, prepared under my supervision and that of Dr. S.O. Ramcharan as co-supervisor. In this thesis, Identification and Production of Valuable Bio-Based Chemicals for Industrial Implementation in South Africa, the candidate presents a comprehensive assessment of opportunities to advanced bio-based chemical production, integrating stakeholder insights, technical feasibility, and economic performance. The research investigated the current landscape, drivers, barriers, and value chain considerations shaping South Africa's bio-based chemicals sector. Using market analysis, stakeholder engagement, laboratory experimentation, pilot-scale demonstrations, and techno-economic modeling, the research evaluated the feasibility of converting local sugarcane-derived feedstocks into valuable intermediates with a focus on biolactic acid. A major contribution is the techno-economic assessment of a commercial-scale lactic acid facility incorporating defined objective functions, constraints, and process parameters, which demonstrates strong potential for industrial implementation. The thesis advances the transition to a circular bioeconomy by providing a structured feasibility approach and offering evidence-based recommendations for policymakers, industry, and researchers to support resilient bio-based chemical manufacturing in South Africa. Mr. Vice Principal, I request you to confer the degree on the candidate.
I hereby confer the degree Doctor of Philosophy with all its associated rights and privileges of the candidate. Congratulations.
Mr. Vice Principal, I introduce to you Lungile Mikateko Mulabasi Mashele, who has complied with the requirements for the degree Doctor of Philosophy, specializing in engineering management with a thesis titled Electricity System Resilience for Increasing Variable Renewable Energy in South Africa, a framework prepared under my supervision and that of Prof. L.A.G. Ulamans as co-supervisor. The thesis, Electricity System Resilience for Increasing Variable Renewable Energy in South Africa, a framework, advances energy system resilience research in Southern Africa by focusing on high penetration of variable renewable energy. It proposes a comprehensive risk-adjusted framework grounded in rigorous methodology and multi-stakeholder engagement. It defines energy system resilience, identifies resilience criteria, maps regional vulnerabilities, and updates resilience conceptualization for high VRE electricity systems. Using case studies, threat matrices, and expert-driven Delphi surveys, the research develops resilience indicators and a dynamic framework suitable for application. The analytical hierarchy process method is applied to weigh resilience criteria and incorporate expert judgment while adjusting for risk, resulting in an operational assessment tool. Validation with system operators confirms practical relevance, identifies infrastructure vulnerabilities, and refines threat hierarchies. Key outputs include a context-specific resilience definition, a validated risk-adjusted framework, and actionable guidance to support strategic resilience interventions in South Africa's evolving electricity system. Mr. Vice Principal, I request you to confer the degree on the candidate.
I have a conferred degree, Doctor of Philosophy, with all its associated rights and privileges on the candidate. Congratulations.
Mr. Vice Principal, the following candidates have complied with all the requirements for the degree Master of Science in Project Management. Sibusisiwe Shlope. Chegufatu Mashego. Fortune Mkungu with distinction. Nkosikona Moyo. Zintle Patani with distinction. Avelile Nkumanda. Tepu Putsua. Shanice Ramkison. Mr. Vice Principal, the following candidates have complied with all the requirements for the degree Master of Science specializing in Engineering Management. Khomotsu Chwane. Nikeli Kakaza with distinction. Tokozani Mshlongo. Katlehu Sechole. Riley Sumia. Lungile Zulu. Mr. Vice Principal, the following candidates have complied with all the requirements for the degree Master of Science specializing in Technology and Innovation Management. Siyabonga Mashabani with distinction. Ruwaida Moedin. Viona Naidu with distinction. Matumi Ndoro. Alicia Ramsaroop. Kiki Sepuru. Mr. Vice Principal, the following candidates have complied with all the requirements for the degree Master of Engineering in Project Management. Audrey Boyi with distinction. Amukalani Shlungwani. Lasia Lenza. Jemima Louise with distinction. Wesley Mattia. Shlakanipani Mbina. Matu Mudibedi. Sudhir Outar. Yani Resou. Samkelu Simelani. Vuyu Sitela. Unati Swartboy. Roelof van der Kolf. Mr. Vice Principal, the following candidates have complied with all the requirements for the degree Master of Engineering, specializing in Engineering Management. Annabel Bettman. Alfred Briet. Nelson Ikela. Rukia Isuf. Hotioni Kwele. Taumang Lekhau. Tetelo Lechualu with distinction. Davita Mahadiu with distinction. Godfrey Maluleke. Mbongiseni Masuku. Tombikayise Slangeni. Lenkwang Mokwana. Sibonginkosi Mtembo. Gilbert Ntube. Kulisu Ndou. Gilroy Nkuna. Kateku Nkuna. Nonchlanchla Palama. Mohammed Rahman with distinction. Matomi Relefeta. Maboya Rangwaga. Pendapala Shuenje. Benjamin Spangenberg. Tabisu Titisi. Alexandra Verwey. Mr. Vice Principal, the following candidates have complied with all the requirements for the degree Master of Engineering, specializing in Technology and Innovation Management. Danielle Badenhorst with distinction. Prince Beloy. Karabu Diole. Gololosego Kototsi. Andrea Kuther. Kutlwanu Mabeba. Merirai Mapanda. Eddie Mupazi. Ruvarashi Ndura. Grace Yimbo. Mr. Vice Principal, the following candidates have complied with all the requirements for the degree Bachelor of Engineering Honours, specializing in Engineering and Technology Management. Sharifa Ahmed, with distinction. Sheriar Ahmed, with distinction. Carmen Diesel. Jason Diesel. Tian Gous, with distinction. Realeboga Legudu, with distinction. Callum Mare, with distinction. Shudufatu Masindi, with distinction. Valerie Matema, with distinction. Dylan Nangi, with distinction. Mashaole Ramaila. Motlatsi Rankoloko, with distinction. Tumishu Sehwale. Warren van der Merwe. Mr. Vice Principal, the following candidates have complied with all the requirements for the degree Bachelors of Science Honours in Technology Management. Joseph De Beer, with distinction. Jonathan Glassman, with distinction. Mashudu Kunwana. Kingsley Masela. Paulos Maslangeni. Warren Malachi. Makungu Mantosi. Sibusisu Maseku. Sipiwe Mashinini. William Mbele with distinction. Prince Mofamadi. Chepu Moilwe. Pogola Mojapelo. Jacobeth Motibe. Morajo Motimele. Veronica Pionke. Kulisu Nemaguyuni. Timothy Nkosi. Reboon Ntlolokwane. Narissa Reddy. Augustine Schenk. Shlanzeko Sebia. Sandile Silanela. Albert Sitole. Cholisi Chabalala. Sibonisile Chabalala.
You have been a wonderful audience. And congratulations with all the distinctions to the Dean, Mr. Faculty. All the distinctions, congratulations. Are you jealous? You know, I observe a lot of things when I sit here that, today I didn't say don't go overboard when you cheer candidates. And the reason is simple, so that the next candidate's parents can hear their name being called. And in many instances, they would be having distinctions. So it's very important that we give each other a chance. Nevertheless, let us give all our graduates a big hand of And now I would like to request our graduates to applaud their families, friends, spouse, everyone that supported them. Thank you. I'm sure each one of you now has the evidence that you've earned your degree. I see with all the certificates, unless you owe us. So, this certificate will get into high-paying jobs. Look after yourself, look after your parents, and look after us as well. The students that are going through here see many hardships. You know that, you've seen that. So that you can contribute into our alumni fund to assist the next generation of students. We have now come to the end of the proceedings. And before we close, I'm informed that there are liquid refreshments outside. I see they don't afford sandwiches anymore, so. But it's not me, it's that man in blue. So, we now request you to stand and remain standing for the singing of the national anthem. By the powers vested in me, I dissolve this congregation of the University of Pretoria.
Nos Sure! The graduates have spoken. Let's give them another one. Graduates! Uncommon and more graduates. Sure! Andaten take it, Sanamare. Daten take it, Sanamare. Daten take it, Sanamare.